现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and for today's Hakka music, we have Huang Weijie here, who loves his home and is very concerned with social and environmental issues. This song Ting Gong Ying, or Daybreak, is just about that. Let's take a listen.
1998年，我村外讀書啲人，幾夜都無卡，就兩多一兩三，我唱詞都三副好看，啲後輩又sad又恨，總批為家鄉是命拼，本政府暖滅槍槍，三副當紅就下年。河南洪泛水庫，河山河水留子孫。你囔囔你念，愛的都市趟多一條歌。有一個樂隊，很多高公台上唱，就係安呢。從本後生都進來，就係安呢。從本路輪太細，大家窮下來，就窮下來。河南洪泛水庫，河山河水留子孫。
来自高雄美浓的黄伟杰，因为他热爱家乡，就透过这首《挺公影》，用年代的方式带出一些关心环境的议题。从1998年到2002年，到现在甚至100年后，一定要把好山好水留给子孙。黄伟杰 uses the song in a chronological order from 1998 to the present and into the future to bring up all the problems that are affecting people in this planet Earth. It's a very clever way to bring up this issue. So let's take a listen to 挺公影 Daybreak.
天公你那，愛主來那，木樹來北開那，就看到嘅河山河水莫變半新那。天公你那，愛主來那，木樹來北開那，就看到嘅河南紅哦。
记得我们要爱惜地球哦，下次见。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.